Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick video on Wish.com. I've ordered a couple of things from Wish.com recently, which have shown up on Facebook, and I've thought, oh yeah, that looks interesting. That's cheap, and I figured that it's a very small amount of money and it's worth the risk. So I ordered one of these, which is a little iPhone or a phone stand that you can clip to a desk. I thought that might come in handy, and I also ordered a Donald Trump coin, gold coin, which is really for a novelty gift for someone. And they haven't come through yet. It's been a week or 2 weeks, but it's probably shipping from China, so it could take up to a month. And I've watched a few other videos on YouTube to see how people are getting on with Wish.com. What troubled me though, looking through, is that they're advertising. Oh, my iPad's gone a bit strange. Oh, wrong one. Right, let's go back. So this USB stick was the bit that troubled me. So if I click on it, you can see it says 2 terabyte USB stick. Now, if you look on Amazon, a 1 terabyte USB stick is about £450. So a 2 terabyte for £7, or £6.30 if I buy with other shoppers, is actually a really good deal. Or is it? It actually says here as well, they're being honest, they say 2 terabyte, about 1950 gigabytes, so obviously it's an honest seller, so you would be alright with that. Sharon Hobbs is very pleased with the item, so it must be alright. If I look on description, you can see that it says, note, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte actually store things for 16G. Now obviously they mean gigabytes there, so as with a lot of these fake 2 terabyte sticks, it's actually just a 16 gigabyte stick, and they changed the header. So as you start to store data on these sticks, when you get beyond sort of 15, 16 gigabytes, the data just doesn't get stored. And Windows looks like it's saving it, but it's not. So you could suffer lots of lost data with this. It's probably a very low quality USB stick, and obviously this is not honest, so I would steer very clear of this. And because Wish is using lots of different sellers, and there's obviously no regulation at all, because this has been on here for a few days, and you've got here clearly a picture of an iPhone 10, £590 it would normally be. Well, it's only £50. So I wouldn't buy anything electronic, I don't think, from there, unless it was very cheap and I was prepared to lose out on it, because I can't imagine that the returns policy will be anything like eBay or Amazon. But if you've had a good experience returning something to Wish, I'd be interested. Please leave a comment. So we look at this here. We can get it for £45. And obviously from the pictures, this looks great. So if I flick through, yeah, it looks pretty much like an iPhone 10. The photo quality looks great. Gaming there. It's got patent certification there. I don't know why. There's a page of reviews, which is very hard to read because it's really low resolution. So if we say, and just right is what they've got, positive feedback. So when we look at it, well, that doesn't tell us a lot. It's got 2 screen sizes. That's confusing, because it's just talking about a 5.8 inch. Hit on description, and you'll start to see that it's a quad-core Android 6.0. So you just have to, buyer beware on this. Wish.com is, what I read is a lot of Chinese resellers selling to the UK. So expect, about a month postage, or up to a month postage, or maybe longer. But if you've got a problem with your item, so I certainly wouldn't be spending, a couple of £100 or something like that on a laptop, because if you've got problems, I think you're going to have a lot of trouble trying to get a return on that. And there's really no regard for copyright here. You can see they're using Mario to advertise definitely a non-Nintendo console. And so my advice would be, just buyer beware, really. You're not going to get the same sort of security that you get from Amazon, eBay, or a traditional bricks and mortar store where they've got a website. I'm amazed they can get away with it, really, and I wonder how long it will last, because they're obviously paying a lot of money to advertise, and really it's there's so much fake stuff on here that I don't know how they get away with it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll do a video when I get my items.